for taking the lead, not only in Uganda, but as an
Your Excellency, investments of this magnitude have white faces. Ordinarily, it is people from Europe and America who engage in these investments. I want to say congratulations to Matthews. We are very proud of you as East Africans, that the language you are speaking of billions of dollars, we are domesticating it in our continent. It is new, but we have champions like you who are daring to walk the journey to invest in this space and in the magnitude that we have witnessed. You are lucky because you have a great mentor and leader that has provided the necessary support for these investments to take place. Your Excellency, let me say on behalf of other East Africans that your leadership, that you speak straight and you encourage East Africans to invest here in East Africa, goes a long way in changing the destiny of our region.
The African green monkey, this is the African green monkey. Apparently it has got cells somewhere, either on the kidney or someplace, where which cells can grow where the virus is. If you have got those cells, you can easily grow these viruses like this one with corona. They like, I don't know why they like those cells. And my people were looking for these cells in the whole of Africa. They were nowhere. The whole of Africa. South Africa, Morocco, nothing. Egypt. So they had to go some other place. And remember, these are cells of the African green monkey. So somebody took these cells and some other people, not only one, and multiplied them. But nobody in Africa had these cells. Now we have them now. And apparently this is the first time these cells of the African green monkey are being used in a laboratory in Africa to multiply the viruses, all these viruses, the different types. So this shows you the word Magwara knows very well. Kulambala. This is kulala. Watu kwa wamelala sana. Shida hapa ni kulala tu.